Discover the world's most exclusive escapes. This is JetSet Hideaways, where your next dream destination begins. Welcome to the edge of the earth, a place where the sheer, untamed magnitude of the Andes Mountains carves a jagged skyline against an endless canvas of blue. Take a moment and simply breathe in the crisp, high-altitude air. Here, the rugged terrain beneath your feet is more than just soil. It is ancient, mineral-rich, and fiercely alive. Nurtured by pure mountain snowmelt, this unforgiving landscape miraculously yields some of the most robust, exquisite, and celebrated vintages known to man. Here, luxury isn't rushed. It breathes. You won't find rigid itineraries or the frantic, chaotic buzz of the outside world. Instead, your days are softly dictated by the arc of the sun and the gentle rhythmic rustle of the leaves. It flows at the unhurried pace of the ripening vines. Whether you are gliding effortlessly through the sprawling, 2,500-acre estate, watching the vibrant green canopy blur past your window, or simply finding a moment of absolute stillness, when it is time to retreat from the world, your sanctuary awaits. Tucked quietly among the rows of grapes, you'll find the resort's private villas, spaces designed not just for shelter, but for absolute serenity. Think rustic elegance seamlessly intertwined with modern sophistication. Every detail is an homage to the region. Rich, textured native woods and raw stone elements mirror the rugged landscape outside, while plush, cloud-like linens and sleek, modern finishes anchor the space in total, uncompromised comfort. Slide open the heavy glass doors and step out into the elements. Your expansive, private deck is an outdoor living room with arguably the greatest backdrop on Earth. Here, ultimate relaxation takes the form of your own private outdoor soaking tub. Imagine slipping slowly into the steaming, restorative water after a long day of exploring. But to truly understand the magic of the vines, you must look beyond the surface luxury and down to the earth itself. The secret of this spectacular valley lies in the terroir. Unlike traditional resorts where you are simply a spectator, here, you are invited to step off the path, roll up your sleeves, and get your hands delightfully dirty. You can join the harvest, walking the rows alongside master agronomists who have dedicated their lives to understanding the precise rhythm of this land. After a day of wandering the vines, the sharp, crisp mountain air inevitably stirs an undeniable appetite. And here, at the edge of the wild, dining is not merely a meal, it is a culinary pilgrimage. Follow the intoxicating, rich scent of wood smoke to the vibrant heart of the estate. Welcome to Siete Fuegos, which translates quite literally to 7 fires. Conceived and helmed by the legendary Argentine chef, Francis Mallmann, this restaurant boldly strips away the quiet, pretentious confines of traditional fine dining. Instead, it returns to the very origins of flavor. Drawing deep inspiration from the rugged, romantic lifestyle of the Argentine gauchos, Mallmann uses local woods, ancient regional techniques, and sheer intuition to harness the wild, unpredictable power of the flame. Using 7 distinct cooking fires, from the blistering heat of the iron grill to the slow subterranean simmer of the rescoldo, this is a mesmerizing primal dance with the elements. It is open flame cooking, elevated to a breathtaking art form. From a towering ribeye seared on a cast-iron plancha to salt-baked salmon buried deep in the embers, every bite is a tribute to the fiery spirit of the gauchos. It is a rustic, soulful feast that will linger in your memory long after the final course. Imagine the ultimate sensory reward. A towering, dry-aged ribeye, expertly seared on a blistering cast-iron plancha, locking in impossibly rich, deeply complex layers of smoke and savory flavor. Or perhaps a whole Patagonian salmon, completely encased in a thick crust of coarse rock salt, and buried deep within the glowing embers until it reaches absolute, melting perfection. Accompanied by charred, earth-sweetened root vegetables pulled straight from the ashes. Every single bite you take here is a deliberate tribute to the land. It honors the fierce, untamed, and deeply romantic spirit of the gauchos who once roamed these very plains, cooking under the vast expanse of the open sky. Paired flawlessly with a bold, complex vintage from the very vines surrounding you, it is a rustic, profoundly soulful feast. An unforgettable symphony of smoke, earth, and vine. One that will linger beautifully in your memory, long after the final course has been cleared. As the day gracefully surrenders to the evening, a breathtaking transformation washes over the Uco Valley. The vibrant energy of the harvest softens into absolute, stunning tranquility. The sun slips slowly below the towering peaks, painting the sprawling sky in brilliant sweeping strokes of bruised purples, soft pinks, and deep burnt oranges. As the fire pits are lit around the estate, casting a warm, flickering amber glow against the gathering dusk, a profound silence settles over the land. The rush of the modern world completely falls away. And in this quiet, deeply reflective moment, sitting at the very edge of the earth, you realize what makes this retreat so undeniably magnificent. It's not just the world-class wine, the unforgettable food, or the immaculate, unpretentious design. It is the profound, grounding sense of connection, a pure, uninterrupted harmony with the earth itself. If you enjoyed this journey, we'd love to hear from you. Share your thoughts in the comments, give the video a like, and subscribe to join us for more unforgettable escapes around the world. When you're ready to plan your own escape, you'll find the link waiting for you in the description. This is JetSet Hideaways. Where to next?